Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Tanish, and today I will be making the best stew liver you will ever have. Alright guys, let's get started with some black pepper, some jerk seasoning, my favorite, some all-purpose seasoning, some complete seasoning, and a little bit of browning, guys. Then I mix that up. Then I have some scallion, pepper, onion, and garlic. Chop that up real quick. Then I'm going to add my pepper and my garlic and mix that in first. Then I'm gonna add my onion and my scallion. And then I'm going to mix that up, combine everything together, and let it marinate for overnight. Alright guys, I have my pot with some hot oil. I'm going to just add my liver to that now. Alright guys, after the water dry out, you're going to add some spice. You have some Irish carrot, bell pepper, thyme, garlic, scallion. You're just going to add all of that in there. And then you're going to add some water. Mix that in, guys. Then you want to just cover that and let it simmer. All right, guys, that look good and smell good. I'm just going to give it a little shake. Almost done. Going to let the butter cook, and then bada boom, bada bang, liver ready. All right, guys, that's about it. Liver done, dinner ready. Guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. If you try this recipe, subscribe, guys. It's free, won't hurt. Enjoy, have fun, live good.